Welcome to Wildcrafting Wellness, where nature meets nurture. Hi, I'm Becky and I'll be your guide on this journey as we discover the healing powers of nature. Hi, thanks for joining me. As promised, today we're going to be wildcrafting using the Manzanita tree, specifically the Manzanita apple or Manzanita berry. If you're new to my channel and you just subscribed, I want to thank you. Every subscription means a lot to me, and it will help other people find these videos too. So let's get started. This is a Manzanita tree that is in my yard, noted specifically for its red bark, and as you can see, during certain times of the year you get this kind of peeling, ribbony stuff off of the bark as well. This can actually be made into tea. Today I'll be preparing Manzanita berry to make Manzanita apple cider. Every time we go out to collect or harvest, we need to practice ethical and responsible harvesting techniques. First of all, that means never collecting or harvesting on reservations or in sacred or holy places, and never collecting in national parks, state, county, city parks, or any other public places. The best places to collect are on lands that either you own or that are privately owned by one of your friends or family members, and they've given you explicit permission. Also, whenever we find a good resource, it's hard to hold back, but we need to never collect more than 20% of what we find. I've got a really good hatful now, so let's go back in the kitchen and start preparing. Once you get them back in the kitchen, you'll want to remove all the stems and any debris, leaves, things like that. The berries contain a little seed pod that have 3 little seeds inside. I'm not worried about the seeds. I am not pulverizing the flesh of the manzanita so strongly that it's crushing the seeds, and it's not worth my time to go pull them out. Now, once the berries are ready, I place them in a saucepan with double the amount of water as I have berries and bring them to a boil. After they've come to a boil, I remove them from heat, place a lid over them, and let them stand for 20 minutes or even overnight. I like to chill mine, so I place it in the fridge and remove it later. Okay, so it's the next day, and I have pulled the Manzanita apple cider out of the fridge. My daughter London has joined me and has agreed to be a taste tester. But this is meant to be a nice, refreshing drink, so we're going to add a little bit of ice to our glasses here. And then we're going to stir this up because it's settled just a little bit, and just mix all those nice sugars back into the cider. That looks really nice and rich. Look at that. Okay, so.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's very good. Very refreshing. I might add sugar because I'm a kid and things are sugary. I like them sugary.
So maybe a little honey. What else would be good to add to it?
Maybe like some mint, like some bubbly water, maybe like some berry juice.
Yeah.
Be very refreshing.
Yeah, all those things. or you can just enjoy it as it is. Hope you try it. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, take good care and bye for now.
Cheers.
So grab your hat and join me as we wildcraft wellness together. Subscribe now and start your journey towards natural wellness. I'll see you in the wild.